Good day, viewers. As promised, this is the conventional method for finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now, as you can see, we are having a 3 by 3 matrix of 3 rows and 3 columns. I gave an algorithm. This algorithm is just to understand how to find the determinant of the matrix. These are the sign matrix. Each of these signs, you can see we are having 9 signs here, which represent the 9 numbers or the 9 elements in this matrix. But mind you, in this case, in finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, what we are very concerned with is the first row, which is 1, -1, and -2. So now, since you already understand that we are using this first row, this is the first row here. I should have placed a positive sign to the 1, but there's no need of that. So you can see the negative sign appears here because it's very important. Then the positive sign appears here. So what are we going to do? We're going to fill in those numbers, which is the numbers in the row. We are going to fill them into what? Into this arrangement here. So we've written 1 already. So here we are going to have your what? Your -1. And here you're going to get your what? Your -2. So now when you take 1, what are the 2 by 2 matrix that will be placed in these brackets? Now let's see what we can do. You can see when we took our 1 here, we are having what? We are having 4 dots here that are left untouched. You can see, so we have these 4 dots, or you can call them 4 elements. And these 4 elements are in the form of what? Of a 2 by 2 matrix. And if you are comparing these dots with this, you can see that we are having 1, 3, 2, 4. So we have 1, we get 3, 2, and 4. So what about this other one? When we come to -1, you can see when we are using -1, because we are using -1 here, you can see we still have 4 elements left in the form of a what? Of a 2 by 2 matrix. That number will represent 2, 3, 1, 4. So we have 2, 3, 1, and 4. So what about the last? You have -2. So this is the -2. You can see those 4 elements represent 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. So what do we do from ends? We multiply the leading diagonals, and the leading diagonals are these. Which means that what? 4 times 1, you get what? 4. Then you subtract the other diagonal from the leading diagonal. So we have 2 times 3. You subtract it, that is 6 from the leading diagonals. But make sure you write your 1. So here you get minus times minus, you get plus. Then you have +1. Then you open your bracket. 4 times 2, you get 8. You subtract the other diagonal from it. 1 times 3, you get 3. Then you have plus times minus, you get -2. Open your bracket again. 2 times 2, you get 4, which is the leading diagonal. Then 1 times 1, the other diagonal, you get what? You get 1. So what do you do from here? You drop your 1. So 4 minus 6, you get -2. Plus, you have your 1. Here you get 5. Then minus, you put your 2. 4 minus 1, you get 3. So when you open this bracket, you get -2 plus 5 minus 6. And your final answer becomes what? -3, which is the same answer we got when we used what? When we use the trig method. This is just how simple it is. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do it to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned.